Hey guys, today we're going to be opening up a Shopkins Constructions. This is the shopping cart set with candy cookie and patty cake, and today we are going to build it. Let's get into it. So, inside we have our little bag of buildable stuff. We have the building instructions, I believe. Yes, we do. And we have our little characters. So we have patty cake here and candy cookie right here. Very cool. And these guys also do come apart if you want to switch around their heads and bodies and stuff, which is pretty cool, pretty neat. I like that. So let's put them right back there, and let's build this, shall we? Okay guys, here you go. These are the Shopkins Construction shopping cart set here. They go together fairly easily. The instructions were a little bit confusing at first, but you figure them out eventually. And right now we have candy cookie in the shopping cart and patty cakes on the display. So that's kind of cool that you can actually put your little guys in here. And if you want, you can also put your regular Shopkins in here. So we can just throw these guys in here, and this is what we're getting today at the store. So there we go. You can just throw those guys in there, and these guys can be on the shelves on display. It's pretty cool, I think. So yeah, there we go. So we've got Jasmine Rice, Roma Tomato, Vicky Vanilla, and Block Ice Cubes there, and or Blocky Ice Cubes, I believe. And yeah, so there you guys go. This is a cute little set. I like this. Comes with a little shopping cart. It's adorable. I love it. So that's about it. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.